Alright, how you doing guys? Just arrived to the Beachwalk in Kuta. So today's video will be about the Kuta exclusively. It's already like 8 p.m. Sayang is with me today. I don't know, the girls behind me lie. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna show you how the life is going on in Kuta today. Well, so much is going on actually, right?
Yeah,
so
I
much.
think that the busiest part in Kuta is the Beachwalk Mall because this is the most iconic of the Kuta nowadays after the beach.
So this is the main gate, main entrance to the Beachwalk Mall in Kuta, and the best and the biggest mall in Bali so far. Little bit changed since I was here last time because there is the brand new Arabica coffee here. I think we're gonna have a coffee later on here, just between Starbucks and the Sardinia. And overall traffic situation outside is pretty busy. Not mentioned as we stuck like coming from Sanur to Kuta. It took us like 1 hour and 15 minutes at least. So happy days. I mean, it's getting busy, right? We are on the way into direction of Kuta Bags and ex-McDonald's. So overall situation like this one, and this is also the entrance to the legendary Poppy's Lane Chew. If I'm not mistaken, this is Poppy's Lane Chew. Just a little bit show you around. There are so many bars. I mean, not bars, the stars, stuff like this one. Nothing really has changed. Some happy tourists walking around. One side, other side. Here we go. Overall situation. The Italian restaurant here is open eventually, finally. Forgot the name of the place, but you can see over here Rosso Vita or something like this one. Looks pretty cool. And well, traffic on the road still is going on. I just would like to mention this is 8 o'clock. So that's the Flapjacks. This area was popular for years for the McDonald's over here. Well, Flapjacks exist, McDonald's is gone. There are some new mini marts around, and just at the corner is the entrance to Poppy's Lane 1 and Kuta Bags. Meanwhile, little bit situation of this legendary corner. No shortage of the taxi drivers and so many mini marts to buy some goodies. Some happy tourists still enjoying negotiations about something or just regular talk. Money changer currencies for everyone. How interesting. How much is your currency? And this is the corner of Kuta Bags and legendary entrance to Poppy's Lane 1. Just blackout when I start filming because there was light and all the lights gone. Just literally right now. Construction was going on the top. Seems like there are hotel or something. Kuta Bags. Yeah, actually here is so-so. Not as that busy as I was expecting. Little bit quieter here, yeah?
Yeah,
And the construction sound.
Yeah, I think that if you compare with Ubud, where we were last time, Kuta is, not much tourists if we compare than Ubud or Canggu maybe.
Yeah.
So we are now in the brand new place in Beachwalk, which is called Arabica. So this is how it is, the situation. If you want to have a coffee and maybe ice cream, matcha ice cream, you see the queuing is such a long queuing. So here is the menu. If you are curious, basically you can buy coffee and ice cream and also pastries.
They also have a nice roastery here. When I was just in Bangkok, I was thinking what's the brand of this cafe is, and here we go. They open in Beachwalk as well. Looks pretty similar like this one in Bangkok, but this one is just brand new. And you have a matcha soft ice cream. Here we go. Looks beautiful, isn't it? Something new in Bali in Beachwalk.
So it's ice cream time. This one is matcha ice cream. Look at this, so soft. Matcha is like a type of a green tea from Japan.
How is it? Nice?
So good. So good.
And I have my latte. Exactly the same like in Bangkok a few days ago. The same, little bit different decor.
You guys here?
We are leaving 27, but we are here for 22 days.
Ah,
Very long trip.
nice. Okay guys, so when we walk here and then beautiful lady approaching me and then saying that thank you so much for watching our videos before she's coming to Bali. So where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. I visited their videos a lot from before coming Bali. So now I'm in front of Beachwalk and I just saw her and wow.
Wow. So what would you like to say to maybe the people in Bangladesh about Bali actually?
Yeah, watch their vlogs and watch my vlogs too. I have a channel also, Mehnach vlog.
Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see the some vlogs from Bangladesh.
Yeah, you should.
I should, definitely.
You should also say them to visit Bangladesh.
Sure,
Bangladesh
for
is also
sure.
a beautiful country and Bangladeshi cuisine is very delicious. Yeah, okay, thank
The
you.
next trip for them, yeah.
Thank you. Maybe next year, okay? Next year. So the coffee Arabica is very nice. You saw the house, the situation outside the mall. Now is the time little bit to show you inside the mall. And then we're gonna have a dinner somewhere, Saya? Let's go. And also we met our friends from Bangladesh. So happy
So
days.
nice.
Little shot in the mall. This is like a new wing. There is the Sephora currently. Also there is the one Apple shop. Some people were around. You can buy Nespresso and we are looking to go to the Foot Locker because we need to have a new shoes. Overall situation like this one. Honey, let's go here. This is nice place. I hope so. It's very hard to buy shoe in Bali, yeah?
Yeah, my shoes already broken.
Honey, what's happened?
Already broken.
Oh no. Let's go buy the new shoe. Here we go. This is not endorsement for them, but let's have a look. Hello. Unfortunately, very unlucky with buying shoes in Bali. I mean, I knew it. It's very, very hard. I feel so sorry, Sayang. We have to try next time somewhere. So this is the view from the like a park, sky park of the mall with the candies and everything. One of our favorite malls in Bali so far, the live band. You can enjoy the time, and also there is the Hotel Sheraton and so many decorations like this one. It's actually so cool. Good place for making some pictures.
Okay guys, so now we move to Jalan Legian Street, the world famous Legian and Kuta, and then now we are in the Mama's German restaurant. We decided to have a dinner here and you see it's busy. Many people are here and yeah, maybe for those the German fellas who are looking for the German food, and yeah, this is it, the best place I think in Legian, and the waiter saying
Yes, welcome to Mama's German restaurant. We are doing the best for you. We serve you is very good. Thank you so much.
see this one, the world class quality of the hospitality as well. You see, no wonder many people are here enjoying their time, enjoying their dinner. What I can say, almost full house.
Here we go. That's our food today. Forgot. Thank you so much, my friend. Yeah.
Enjoy your meal, please.
Thank you. What is the name of this?
This is Schweinebraten. This
What?
Schweinebraten.
Schwinn and Braten?
Yes, Schweinebraten.
Okay.
In English is roast pork.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Enjoy
Yeah.
your meal, brother.
Thank you. Very good. Check this out. Looks so beautiful and tastes the same. What do you think, Saya?
I will try this one. Look at the sauce. I wanna try.
Let's try, Saya. Looks good and tastes good. Oh guys, that was the feast. Highly recommended food actually, especially if you are Central European like me. But for everyone, even Sayak really enjoyed, right?
So nice.
So nice, very highly recommended to try.
Okay guys, so this is how it is, the Legian actually, and yeah, I can see that also many schoolies are here, you know, shopping, enjoying their time. It must be a school holiday nowadays in Australia.
So if you are already here, we're gonna show you a little bit of the situation in Jalan Legian Street, famous legendary place. Yeah, there are some people walking around, some happy tourists. You can buy some boards here. However, the most busier part is actually next to the German restaurant, and then suddenly Over here not much is going on. Also many businesses are actually still closed. But yeah, overall. And if you are looking to party, this is the only one place, the Legian club. After that, not much is going on actually around. Only this one place, the Legian, and that's it for party in Legian. Also for everyone who are missing, the pub, bar and grill is open, and there are some people even around, so not so bad for everyone who are missing the place.